There's always gonna be someone trying to tear you down, mocking you for your mistakes. Oh, there's always gonna be someone messing your head around, watching you to see you break. So don't you let them call you out, brush away the shame and doubt. Remember what you're all about, and then show them who you are. Show them that you're strong. Show them that you know where you belong. Open up their eyes for some more to see. Let them know you are and you'll always be unbreakable. Let them talk, you know your heart. Oh, there's always gonna be someone calling you second best. Shut them down, don't fall apart. No, don't you let them in your head. Doesn't matter what they said. Get up on your feet instead, and then show them who you are. Show them that you're strong. Show them they've been seeing you all wrong. Open up their minds, throw away the key. Tell them that you are and you'll always be unbreakable. Unbreakable. Yeah, you define yourself. Oh, hey, yeah. You and no one else. Show them who you are. Show them that you're strong. Show them that you've known it all along. Open every door on your destiny. Live as if you are what you